Did you wake up from the moonlight on my bedside? 'Cause you hold me in my dreams. And then we could do And when the riptide's pulling under, tell me we'll still have each other. On and on, I'm trying to find some peace of mind, some peace of mind. I can see it in your eyes. You're so divine, you're so divine, so divine. Back with the bass, with the back.
Crazy when beat hits, I'm ready to lose it. Break sweat, clueless, everybody in the club goes stupid. Movement, 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 movement.
Everybody move. If the beat hits,
I know that you are afraid.
Arguing to sex. I like to party, I hardly think that 20 missed calls, 150 texts. She said, I know that you've been out with them other chicks. I keyed your car up and I'm on my way to see my ex. Liquor and cigarettes have got me in a mess, but right now I'm up and I think I feel my best. Shouting leads to arguing, from arguing to sex. I like to party, I hardly think that it's disrespect. She said, yeah. I said, yeah. I don't care. She said, yeah. I said, yeah. I think that I made it clear. Then we stared, looked straight into her eyes. I said, you're about to have the best night of your life.
I've been waiting so long to feel that high, to be adored. I've been waiting so long to find a remedy, to be adored. 'Cause I've been waiting so long for someone like you to take me higher than night. I know that I found my remedy. I've been waiting so long for someone like you to take me higher than night. I know that I found my remedy. Finally I found a place, makes me feel my heart won't break. All I know, I'm gonna stay, I'm gonna stay.